Hello, good morning everybody. Carl here from Sierra Survival. What I want to do this morning is just give you a quick update on what I've been doing with the van. Starting next Friday, I'm shooting off to England and I'm going to be spending a couple of months in the UK teaching survival. Obviously the van is my everyday get around, but also it's my work van as well. So I needed space on the van. So what I've done is I've changed a few things. I've looked at trying to get more space, everything else. I mean, it's a VW T4 multivan. So you've seen the videos before. I've completely gutted the inside, got the bed and everything else in there. But I'll just show you now exactly what's happening around the van. Okay, so just spin you around. Okay, so this is the van itself, my T4. What I've had done is I've had my company name stuck on the side there. Okay, Sierra Survival with the logo. I'll just walk you around. There we go. Huge ugly face on the back with the logo as well, and my my website, sierrasurvival.eu. Down the sides, both sides, I've got the logo, but plus I've got the Facebook page, Sierra Survival CZ, and on the front I've got another logo there on the front. On the top, I got an oldish roof box, and what I've done is I've sprayed it orange because obviously orange is my colour. Yeah, and that fits up there really nicely. It's full of gear at the minute, ready to go. And on the other side, I have had a custom made cage roof rack from some friends of mine who have put this together for me, and it's absolutely solid, absolutely fantastic. So on there I can put all my waterproof boxes and everything else on the top. On the inside, take you inside the van. I've removed, I used to have a seat here, I've removed that. At the moment I've got a box there, but the idea here is I'm going to have a box seating system that comes from the bed down the back and then down the back of the seats here. Okay, and the idea behind that is it's going to give me more storage. I mean, it's packed now, ready for going to the UK, but it's going to have more storage in there. In the future, I'm looking at probably getting a small cooler fridge or something like that. So that would fit here. Okay, just down the bottom here, and I don't know. I'm thinking about a toilet as well. But the idea is behind that, I can, from the end of the bed, which is here, okay, have a box down there, box down here, but also have a table that extends the end of the bed, but also I can use as a table as a sitting and eating area as well. So that's the idea, that's the plan. Inside the van, in the minute, I've got you can see all the orange curtains. These were made by the same people who made the roof rack. I've got a few of my life patches up there. Yeah, and on the top there I've got the Yorkshire flag, of course. So now everything is like I said, I'm just getting it prepared now for the trip to England. Got a lot of kit to put in there. So I can run courses, but this is why. Well, what's going to happen is I'm going to be hopefully living in the van and working in the van over the next couple of months. So yeah, it's got to be functional. I've got my cooking area, I've got my water, everything else, but I needed it to have more space so I can carry my equipment for teaching survival. Okay, so that's it. So it's a short video. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update. And what I'll do is over the coming weeks, I'll be taking videos of my trip, of the courses for survival as well, because obviously it's not just about van life, it's about my survival and teaching and training. So I'll be uploading videos onto YouTube, so stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. If you want to see these videos, okay, go to the bottom, press the like button if you like this one. If you want to see more videos, there's a little bell, okay, just down there as well. Press the bell. Okay, what I'll do is also I'll put a link at the top where to the other van videos. Okay, and please subscribe to the channel. It's the only way you're going to get to know what's happening and what's everything that's going to be happening over the next few months. Okay, so I'll speak to you all soon. Stay tuned, follow these links, and let's see what's happening.